Boaters Net would like to offer a 1995 Thompson 240 Fisherman Power boat for sale. The boat currently resides in Newcastle, Pennsylvania, and the asking price is $13,000. The owner states this is a great fishing boat, must sell. It's got a 305 inboard, outboard, new GPS sonar, VHF radio, all safety equipment, has 2 4-foot electric downriggers, 6-foot planer board, Eagle trailer with electric brakes, new tires and brushings. Too much equipment to list. For more information or pictures to contact the owner, visit boatersnet.net.